Okay, in this video I will teach you what are the long tail keywords and how to use these keywords and how to make use of keysearch.com to rank the long tail keywords on your blog post. Now I tell you one thing, in this day if you want to have a specific niche that is very difficult and you want to rank that niche on your website, it is very difficult. Now we make use of long tail keywords so that the difficulty comes low and it is easier to rank those blog posts over the web. Now the long tail keywords are basically a set of more than 2 keywords combined together so that the cost of the bidding becomes low and the competition becomes low as well, which is a good thing for you. For example, if my niche is smartphone and I want to rank a particular keyword that is OnePlus 11, now the chances are that all the big boys like GSM Arena, Peepom and Rod Authority are taking the first 2-3 pages of the Google search engine, and we know that it is difficult to rank that keyword. But if I use a region specific keyword, or if I combine OnePlus 11 with some of the region specific keywords, for example it is OnePlus 11 sales in Canada, now this becomes a long tail keyword because it is a combination of more than 2 keywords, and now it is very easy for me to rank this particular keyword instead of ranking OnePlus 11 on my own website. So ranking a blog post is very difficult if you're using just one single keyword, but if you're using a long tail keyword, we know that it is an easy path for us. And today in this video I want to tell you that how to use this keysearch.co, because this is a very helpful tool and I have used this thing in the past and it has helped me to rank a few blog posts on my own personal website. Now it is not a difficult process and you can use a trial account for a few days and see if it is any good for you to use this very specific tool. I do not say that just use this very specific tool. You can use Ubersuggest, SEMrush, Ahrefs and so on. This is something that I'm very comfortable with and this is something that I wanted to show you in this video. Now let us say that I'm looking for a keyword, say a Google Pixel 7, and I go to this website, I go to the search bar and try to find the Google Pixel 7 keyword and hit the enter button. Now you can see that the ranking score is very difficult there, and now you know that you need to avoid making use of a single keyword that is a Google Pixel 7 Pro or the Google Pixel 7, and you need to combine a few more words with that particular keyword in order to bring that difficulty down so that the search volume is high, the difficulty is down, and that makes the overall difficulty to be very low, and you can use those keywords in your website in order to grab some traffic. Now I make use of different strategies. I will go to the filter option and make the minimum volume set to 100. Now I will have the number of keywords set between 3 to 5 so that I do not just search on the very specific keyword that is a Google Pixel 7. Now I will monitor the result and I will see if the difficulty is still high and still it is very difficult to rank those particular keywords. Now what I will do is that I will try to change the algorithms and I will make the filters to be like 5 to 6 keywords instead of just making it under 5 keywords. So it makes it a really long tail keyword, but trust me, people are looking for those very specific keywords, the long tail ones, and you can get some specific results. Some people who will be specifically hitting on that particular keyword on your website. Now I can see that what are the high volume keywords, which is basically more the number of people that are hitting that particular keyword and the ones that have the low difficulty level. So if you see these things in red, that means it is very high difficulty. If it is green or a lighter color on this particular website, it means that it is not very difficult to rank on that very particular keyword. Now make sure while building those blog posts you are including those keywords multiple times in your blog post. Now what I say that the keyword density on your blog post should not be very high for that particular keyword and it should not be very low. Make sure that the balance is there so that Google does not think that your website is a complete spam fun. What I do is that when I'm using those keywords to rank my particular blog, I do include those keywords in the SEO plugins as well. For example, I use Rank Math and I include those particular keywords in that Rank Math plugin as well. Now one thing, if you want to add more than one keyword or more than 3 keywords on a blog post, you can use certain plugins where you can include those keywords in the back end. Now you are not able to see it if you go to the web page, the people are not able to see it, but because those keywords are in the back end, the Google search will be able to search all those keywords. So this is a free trick if you don't want to use a rank math plugin or a SEO Yoast paid plan, and this is something a lot of people does not know. I get a lot of orders on fiverr.com of the same thing, and I do push those keywords on their blog post so that they have a higher ranking and their blog post is being searched on more keywords rather than the less number ones. So well, that was what I wanted to share in this video. Make sure that you're making use of the high volume and the low competition keywords, and make sure that those are the long tail keywords. You need to mix match, you need to see what is the competition on what length, and it does not matter even if the length of the keyword is very high, but if it is getting decent number of searches online, you can use those keywords particularly on your website to gain some traffic. Now this is the strategy that I would use in the year 2023 when I'm creating a blog post or something new in my life. So that was me, Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.